Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a NetHunt CRM tutorial, manage leads and sales easily. But first, what is this Sales CRM? NetHunt CRM is a customer relationship management tool built directly into Gmail and Google Workspace. It turns your inbox into a powerful CRM so you can manage leads, track sales pipelines, automate workflows, and grow customer relationships without switching tabs. Now, some of its key features are: first, you can organize contacts, companies, deals inside Gmail. You can automate lead capture, email sequences, and follow-ups. You can customize pipelines and workflows. And lastly, you have full reporting and analytics on sales performance. Now, let's dive into this website. So, first, sign up or log into an account by clicking on this one. And after that, you will be directed here. Now, here on Dashboard, it shows you a summary overview of active deals, won-loss rates, new leads, and past due. A great place to quickly check the health of your CRM and sales at a glance. Now, if you go here on the deals, you can see here the deals, the won and loss. You can track the deals you've closed. And for the deals pipeline, you can visualize all deals moving through your sales stages. You can use a drag and drop to update stages easily. Now here on contacts. Here on by source, you can sort contacts based on where they came from, either website, referral, social, or media. Now here on outreach, you can manage and track email outreach efforts like mass emails or follow-ups. Now here on my contacts, you can see only your assigned leads and contacts, useful in bigger teams. Now for the companies. First is on the clients. Here is a list of companies that are active client. Here's an example, the NASA. Now on the leads, companies that are potential leads but not yet converted to customers. Now here on projects, you can organize project by phases. For example, on planning, in progress, or completed. But I have here the planning, execution, feedback, and done. You can drag and drop it here. If it is execution, you can drag and drop it here if you're on the feedback phase, and also you can drag it here if it is done. Now on the task. Here is the purpose of tasks. You can create and manage tasks, link to deals, leads, or companies. For example, follow up with John on Tuesday. And as you can see here, I can tick on this one and this one will be removed. Like that. Now to make task, click on this and then enter the task name, the due date, priority if it is high, medium or low, then enter description and click on save. How? There you go. And then click on save. Now you can see it here. You can see the overdue date, how many days left before it is overdue. You can click on it so you can make it like it's done. Now for email campaigns, purpose of email campaigns is to build and send bulk personalized emails to your leads, contacts directly inside Gmail. You can track who opened or clicked, and it is great for nurturing leads or sending promotions. You can click here on plus new campaign or here on the plus new. You can input the campaign name, the folder, and the view by source, outreach, and my contacts. Now click on create campaign. After you've done that, click on click campaign. Now as you can see, I can send it here, here, or here. Then now on the workflows. purpose of workflows is to set up automation inside NetHunt CRM. For example, you can auto-assign new leads to sales reps. You can auto-send an email when a deal reaches proposal send stage. It saves you from doing repetitive manual work. And now, on the reports. Purpose of this is create and view detailed CRM reports. You can analyze sales pipelines, win-loss rates, team activity, email campaign results, etc. It also helps you track performance and bottlenecks. And lastly, for the chats. Purpose of this is internal messaging system, if enabled. You can communicate with teammate directly inside NetHunt. And you can keep conversations linked to deals and clients without leaving the CRM. Oh, there's more. Last but not the least is the settings. So the purpose of this, of course, you can customize your NetHunt setup, create custom fields, adjust pipelines, invite users, connect integrations, and lastly, manage privacy and permissions. And that's basically it.